Let's learn basic addition. 1 plus 2. This is 1 apple. Let's we add 2 more apples. Now we have 1 apple plus 2 more apples. So 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Now we have 3 apples. Great! 3 plus 1. There are 3 ice creams. Delicious. Let's we add 1 more. Now we have 3 ice creams plus 1 more ice cream. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Now we have 4 ice creams. Great! 2 plus 2. There are 2 chocolate boxes. Yummy! Let's add 2 more. So, there are 2 chocolate boxes and we add 2 more. So, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Now we have 4 chocolate boxes. 1 plus 3. This is 1 pencil. Let's we add 3 more pencils. Great! So 1 pencil plus 3 more pencil. So count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So we have 4 pencils. Great, children. 4 plus 1. There are 4 burgers. Yummy! Let's add 1 more. So 4 burgers plus 1 more burger. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Now we have 5 burgers. Delicious. 2 plus 3. There are 2 notebooks. Let's we add 3 more notebooks. Now 2 notebooks plus 3 more notebooks. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5. We have 5 notebooks. 3 plus 3. There are 3 candies. Let's we add 3 more candies. Yummy! So 3 candies plus 3 more candies. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Now we have 6 candies. Yummy! 2 plus 4. There are 2 cars. Let's we add 4 more cars. Great! So 2 cars plus 4 more. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Now we have 6 cars. Amazing! 3 plus 5. There are 3 watermelon. Let's we add 5 more watermelon. Now we have 3 watermelons plus 5 more watermelons. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So now we have 8 watermelons. Great. 5 plus 2. There are 5 footballs. Great. Let's we add 2 more footballs. Now we have 5 footballs plus 2 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 is 7. We have 7 footballs. Great. 4 plus 4. There are 4 coins. Amazing. Let's we add 4 more coins. Now 4 coins plus 4 more coins. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 4 is 8. We have 8 coins. Great job! Please like this video and subscribe our channel for more updates.